So Jambi has stolen the cat grass from Salem. Salem's sitting over there. Jambi's here. And he is just chomping on this grass. He's trying to eat it all at once. Okay, buddy, it's not that exciting. I'm going to take another big giant bite. He tries to get as much in his mouth as possible whenever he tries to take a bite of grass. Salem sneezed. Salem? You okay? Do you want me to take the grass away from brother? You're looking at him like, ugh, you butthole. That was my grass. I'll take it away from him in a minute. I just want to... Oh. Another big giant mouthful, right? Oh, there you go. You're such a goofball. Your brother's mad at you now. You just don't care.